Ever feel like you're throwing money into a black hole every month, not really knowing where it's all going? I'm talking about those pesky subscriptions, streaming services, software trials you forgot to cancel, premium app features you barely use. It's easy to lose track, and before you know it, you're bleeding cash on things you don't even need. We've all been there, right? In today's digital age, subscriptions are everywhere. They offer convenience, access to exclusive content, and often seem like a great deal at the time. But the problem arises when these great deals start piling up. It's like a slow leak in your finances, draining your resources without you even noticing. You might think, oh, it's just a few dollars here and there, but those few dollars quickly add up to a significant chunk of change each month. Think about it. You've got your Netflix, Spotify, maybe a couple of cloud storage services, a premium news subscription, and let's not forget that fitness app you signed up for with the best intentions. Individually, they might not seem like much, but when you combine them, it can be a real eye-opener. That's where a subscription management tool like Emma comes in. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Emma, and how can it help me tame this subscription monster? Well, Emma is a personal finance app designed to help you take control of your spending, budgeting, and yes, your subscriptions. It acts as a central hub, connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards to give you a complete overview of your financial situation. One of Emma's key features is its ability to automatically identify and track your recurring subscriptions. It scans your transactions and flags any payments that are being made regularly, whether it's weekly, monthly, or annually. This gives you a clear picture of all the subscriptions you're currently paying for, all in one place. No more digging through old statements or trying to remember which services you signed up for. Emma does the heavy lifting for you. But Emma doesn't just list your subscriptions, it also provides valuable insights. For example, it can show you how much you're spending on subscriptions each month as a total and broken down by category. This can be a real wake-up call for many people who are unaware of the true cost of their subscriptions. Seeing the numbers laid out in front of you can be incredibly motivating to make some changes. Beyond simply tracking, Emma also helps you manage your subscriptions more effectively. It can send you reminders before upcoming renewals, giving you the chance to decide whether you want to continue the service or cancel it. This is particularly useful for those free trials that automatically convert to paid subscriptions if you don't cancel them in time. Emma acts as your personal reminder, preventing you from accidentally getting charged for services you don't want. Another useful feature is Emma's ability to categorize your subscriptions. It automatically groups them into categories like entertainment, software, and utilities, making it easier to see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you might be overspending or where you could potentially cut back. For example, you might realize you're paying for multiple streaming services that offer similar content. This insight can empower you to make informed decisions about which services to keep and which to cancel. Emma also offers budgeting tools that work hand in hand with its subscription management features. You can set budgets for different categories, including subscriptions, and Emma will track your spending against those budgets. This helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. It's like having a financial watchdog keeping an eye on your spending habits. Now, let's talk about some specific examples of how Emma can help you. Imagine you signed up for a free trial of a premium photo editing software. You intended to cancel it before the trial ended, but life got in the way, and you completely forgot about it. Without a tool like Emma, you might not realize you're being charged until you see the charge on your credit card statement. But with Emma, you'll receive a reminder before the trial ends, giving you ample time to cancel and avoid the unwanted charge. Another common scenario is subscribing to multiple streaming services. You might have Netflix for movies, Spotify for music, and another service for sports. While each service offers unique content, there might be some overlap. Emma can help you identify this overlap and decide if you really need all three subscriptions. You might find that you can get most of what you need from just two services, saving you money each month. Emma also helps with those subscriptions that you signed up for a long time ago and have completely forgotten about. These are the subscriptions that are really draining your money without providing any value. Emma can uncover these hidden subscriptions and bring them to your attention, allowing you to cancel them and reclaim those lost funds. One of the best things about Emma is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for people who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Setting it up is a breeze, and connecting your bank accounts is a secure and straightforward process. Once you're set up, Emma does the rest, automatically tracking and managing your subscriptions in the background. Emma is not just about cutting costs, it's about gaining control of your finances. By giving you a clear overview of your subscriptions and providing tools to manage them effectively, Emma empowers you to make informed decisions about your spending. It helps you identify areas where you can save money, allowing you to allocate those funds towards other goals, like saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or investing in your future. So, if you're tired of feeling like you're losing control of your subscription spending, Emma is definitely worth checking out. It's a powerful tool that can help you take charge of your finances and stop throwing money away on unwanted or forgotten subscriptions. It's like having a personal financial assistant dedicated to keeping your subscriptions in check. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.